In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to obtain a month-year date format in Tableau from an Mm-Dd-Yyyy date format. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, we'll need to open the Tableau application on your computer. Launching the app is your first gateway into taking full control over your data visualization. Once you're in, the next step is to access your worksheet containing the data set with the dates you need to modify. Ensure you've got the right worksheet open so everything aligns smoothly. Now with your worksheet open, let's situate the date in the rows shelf. Simply drag your date field from the data pane onto the rows area. This is crucial because it sets up the groundwork for the transformations we'll be applying next. After this, click on the drop-down arrow next to your date on the rows shelf and select Exact Date. This action ensures that Tableau recognizes the date accurately, allowing us to manipulate it effectively. Following this, you need to click the same drop-down arrow again and choose Discrete. This option is vital as it changes the date from a continuous timeline to distinct individual dates, thus simplifying their handling in our visualization. Next, navigate to the top menu bar and click Analysis, then select Create Calculated Field. A new window will pop up where you'll be crafting a new function. Here, you'll want to name it something intuitive like month year. In the query area, type out your desired attribute to isolate the month and year. Once you've written your query, hit OK to save your new calculated field. Drag this newly created month-year field onto the rows shelf. Don't be surprised if it feels like we're repeating a familiar process, setting the exact date and switching it to discrete again using the drop-down. These actions ensure continuity across field types, so your data doesn't face mismatches along the way. Alternatively, there's another straightforward method if you prefer. Go back to your original date field, click on its drop-down, then hover over Create and select Custom Date. Name this custom field something like Month Year Generator. This will help you easily identify it in the future. Next, set the detail for this field to month or year, and when everything looks good, click OK. Finally, drag your new custom field to the rows shelf. Just like magic, your data should now be organized into neat monthly groupings. This flexibility could prove invaluable for making particular trends or patterns stand out in your visualization. And there you have it. We've gone through the process of transforming standard date formats into month-year snapshots for more dynamic data use. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful and can apply these steps to bring clarity to your data sets in Tableau. See you in the next video.